The movie Tahan is an excellent one. It talks about a boy, almost like 10-year-old boy, and he was exploited by another guy who gave him a bomb on the pretext of returning his donkey. He was very fond of his donkey, and he was so innocent, he didn't know that he's carrying a bomb. But luckily, he didn't know how to explode it. He had to remove that upper part, that iron one, and then he had to throw it, and then it explodes. So that young boy who had employed him had evil intentions because he was working for terrorist gang. So this is how impressionable minds are poisoned. You don't become a terrorist overnight. It's because of circumstances. Like he luckily escaped the plan, evil plan, because as he was about to throw the bomb, he saw his dad, who was captured many years ago. So they had almost presumed that maybe he's dead, but he was captured by this terrorist gang. So he retreated his steps, and instead of throwing at the at his dad and a few other cops who had arrested him, he threw it in the waters in Kashmir, and then it emanated so much of poison in the water. And Sarika has enacted the role of mom of that boy, and the movie has been beautifully shot. Anupam Kher is also there. He is not a terrorist, and Rahul Bose, but they are also a part of some group. So finally, he gets his donkey, and he is able to escape that gang. And he comes and tells his mom that his dad is there and he has seen his dad. So now he goes hunting for his dad along with his mom and other female, many other, innumerable other female whose husbands had been captured. So bottom line is, what you experience in your childhood stays throughout your life. So be careful what your children are witnessing. Protect their innocence. 5 stars.